Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss notice writing under column section B. Writing section, notice writing. So, what is notice and why do we include it? Actually, it is a short piece of writing. That comes under short composition, you can say, and it is widely used by individuals and organizations just to announce events, celebrations, inaugural ceremonies, births and deaths, issue public instructions, or to invite or to make appeals. So, these are the things that we include in a notice, like to announce events, celebrations, inaugural or opening, you can say, opening ceremonies, births and deaths, okay, or for some public instructions, or to invite or to make any kind of appeal to someone or to the public. For such reasons we use notice. Now, before coming to the format, let's discuss something, that the content of an effective notice. What are the things that to be included to make notice writing an effective effort? So first thing is name of organization or institution or office. Okay. Second one, date of issuing the notice. Date we need to write. Next one, word notice. The complete word notice itself we need to mention. Then a suitable heading, or you can say title. Okay. Then purpose of which notice is to be written, means what is the purpose to write that particular notice. Then detail of schedule, detail like date, time, venue and duration. So what program is to be organized, what is the date, time, venue, duration, or you also can add like the personality who will inaugurate the office or the institute, or the chief guest or the guest of honor, whosoever is there we can include in detail part. Next, signature, name and designation. My dear children, this is the one of the best or an important part. By the end of the notice, that we need to put our signature, name and designation. Designation means the post that you are carrying on, okay, of the issuing person or authority. This is the ending where we need to put three things: signature, name and designation. Now come to the format of notice. First of all, name of institute, and then put comma and write down its location. Okay, so name of institution or institute, comma, then location. The next one, leave one line blank, put the date and do not write this word directly, put the date. For example, 23rd March 2020. Directly we need to put the date. Once again, leave one blank line, then the word notice itself, okay, in capital letter, then again blank line, and thereafter we need to write heading or title. Whatever the heading or title, try to make this heading catchy and effective one. Okay, then these are the things that we need to put at least in every kind of notice. Like in content, what do we include? First one is word limit. Word limit is 50 words. Then use only present or future tense, and you should say No use of past tense. No use of past tense. Okay, this is. Then avoid first person like I, we. Okay, use what? Third person like he, she. Okay, fine. You should use he or she rather than I and we. Thereafter, draw a box. Most commonly, it is also given in the question or in the statement. By the end of the statement, examiner most commonly asks, do not forget to draw a box. Okay, so this is the instruction we should follow. Like we know it very well that all the short composition like advertisement, notice, poster and invitation, all these four types of writing they come in box, so it also comes in box. Thereafter, blank line, leave one blank line and then put your signature. As I told you earlier also, put your signature. Okay, initial one, then your full name. Like your name is Kuldeep, so you can write like this, Kuldeep, and then your full name, Kuldeep. Okay, two things we have covered. And third is designation. So designation come in bracket like you are head boy. Okay, so it comes in the end. And this is the last part of the format or the notice which we covered. And most commonly students they forget any something out of these three. Sometimes they forget signature, sometimes they forget full name, or sometimes they forget designation. So but we have to be very careful by putting three things in sequence: first signature, then full name, and then designation. Fine. So this was the format. Once again, first of all, name of institute, then date, then notice, then heading or the title, then these are the instructions we should follow while writing a notice, then signature, full name and designation. Now next one is that some valuable tips for notice. What are the valuable tips for notice? Let's see. First one, list valuable points to be included. Whatever we are going to include in a notice, we should frame them out before writing. Then check grammar. Okay, there should be no grammatical mistake, even of a spelling even. Then follow word limit strictly. Word limit is 50. Fine. Then put the notice in a box. It was given in the instruction also. Then layout and format of notice. We should follow the format purposefully. Then last point comes marking scheme. Total marks is 4. Okay, out of 4, 2 marks plus 2 marks. Division is like that. And these two, one for format, one for content. Okay, these two are covered. Then next two, one for accuracy and one for fluency. So these two also are covered. So total 4 marks. No need to judge or no need to assess that particular notice that I have written it purposefully or I have written everything. Just focus on these 4 points. Like if your format is good or accurate, you will get 1 mark. If your content is sufficient or strong or sound, you will get 1 mark over there. Accuracy and fluency in the same way. Fine. So let's have an example of notice writing. Just see. This is the notice one. Actually it is the old one format. You have just look here. Okay, like write a notice for your school notice board in 50 words, inviting articles for your school magazine. You are Ramesh, student editor. Your designation is student editor of your school magazine. So first your school name, okay, Marigold Public School Karnal, then date is there, then notice, okay. And here one thing is missing, that is the heading or title. Fine, after notice we need to write over there. Then this is the content, and as I told you, first name, then signature, then your name, and thereafter designation. So three things we need to follow like this. This is one format. Second is like that. Just see over there, school name is there, and this is the thing. Second portion, second type of writing a notice. One thing is you can write in format like in a paragraph, or second format is you can divide the content in very short way like this one by putting directly date, time, and venue. Okay, so other things are same. So today we have covered this notice writing. I hope you have understood. Fine, thank you, have a good day.